everyone and welcome to Girl Talk World. I'm Carly and today I'm with Max and Harvey.
That is correct.
For a McDonald's mukbang.
As in a mukbang.
Let's get it started.
Yeah.
We don't know what's in these, we didn't order this.
Oh, McFlurry!
Oh, I've got the best bag here.
Yeah, what's this?
Oh, this is the winning bag.
water?
This is,
I think it's a Sprite.
literally, this
Right.
is my order. Does anyone want some cheese dippers?
Yes, please.
So, what are we talking about today?
We are,
Nuggets.
Nuggets? Do you love nuggets?
Yeah.
just nuggets. Just the anatomy of the nugget.
I used to have a den when I was younger and only people could get in if they said the passcode, which was chicken nuggets.
That's amazing.
So that's a fun fact
Was
about
it?
me. Yeah.
My password would not have been something that sophisticated.
Are you looking for a gherkin?
Yeah, I don't.
Oh my god, they're the best bit.
I think, when
I'm
I was
offended.
younger, knowing me, my password would have changed every time so that no one knew it. Like, even if someone got the password right. I'm talking to myself.
No, you're not. You're
No,
not.
it's fine, it's fine.
Carry on, passwords.
That was it, you missed it. It's done now, Carly. We're done with passwords.
Is this ASMR?
Nuggets.
I can't even.
Apart from nuggets, what should we talk about? School.
We went to school.
Did you?
Yeah.
I couldn't have guessed.
Nah, neither would I.
Were you naughty at school?
I was, yeah. So
When
Max
we were in
was.
primary school, I was actually really naughty. Like, I couldn't focus or pay attention to anything. So I actually got put on a school report, so they could check up on my behaviour. But as soon as I got to secondary school, I wasn't too bad. Harvey definitely turned into the naughty child.
Yeah, I got a lot of I think we called them behaviour points. I got a few of those. I think in
Not a good thing.
in year 8 I got about 100, which is not good.
So what was your favourite subject?
PE was good because you didn't really have to think about anything. It was just sort of like run at things, kick things, and throw things.
I know we're all eating,
Oh no.
but PE is the reason I have an ingrown toenail.
What about you in school? What were you like?
Really good, really well behaved.
I don't buy it.
Why not? No, I like school. School was fun for me. I like PE, that was also fun. But
What were you the best at?
netball.
Oh wow, I meant in general subjects, but sure, yeah, just
I was going in with a strong netball there.
That's
Field
like,
defence.
that's like me saying in school I was the best at
Toenails.
kicking people.
But no,
Did
one.
you get your toenail? Could you kick me in the knee? Harvey decided to do a flying kick for some reason.
In
I'm not
football,
sure
in
why. I think
football.
it was football. And I managed to get the ball because I'm skilled, better than him. And then he managed to just fly his foot into my knee. And I wasn't actually that badly hurt, it was him that got hurt. So.
Yeah.
Harvey's been to hospital way more than I have. Nugget shop.
Connected. Stop it. Stop. No. Stop. Sorry.
Did you ever get away with blaming something naughty you've done on the other one?
Kinda.
Yeah, probably. I mean, there's times at home when, like, I don't know, one of us yells at one of our siblings in the house, and Mum goes, "Who was yelling?" And I'll just, if it was me, I'll go, "It was Max." And I'll act all calm as well to make sure that it's not, it's not obvious that it's me. And then Mum will go and yell at Max, and it's really funny.
I fooled Harvey's science teacher. I went into his science class, he went into mine. As soon as he walked into mine, my teacher realised, sent him out. I was in his for about 5 to 10 minutes. His teacher didn't notice, but then Harvey started knocking on the door. The teacher looks at the door and goes, "Get out," and then I got a detention for it.
Oh,
And
wow.
Harvey got nothing.
Can you do a Scottish accent?
I can do a Scottish accent.
Can you count to
It's
10?
not very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, it's not good. Can you
It's
beat
not
it?
that great, but I've picked up.
Donkey!
I think mine's a bit exaggerated.
No, it's quite good.
Mine was fine.
We've got any attempt.
Mine's was perfect.
Can you try sing a Taylor Swift song by gargling that? And I've got to guess what it is.
No. All right. I'll try and do an easy one. That's it. That's all you
Shake
get.
It Off by Taylor Swift.
It was. Max, gargle with chips. Go on, all in. No, all of them, Max. All.
Cause the players gotta pay.
No!
All the chips. Go on, gargle.
It was 24 Karat Magic by Bruno Mars.
Oh, I love that Taylor Swift
I
song.
wasn't even listening to you.
Right, well, gonna round it up. I'm full. Don't know about anyone else.
I'm crying.
Max is crying and Harvey is
Damaged.
damaged.
Is that how mukbangs normally go?
Is this how it ends?
We're gonna go. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and
Bye.
Bye.